I'm a clean up vacuum cleaner. Zoom, zoom, zoom. I'm a clean up vacuum cleaner. Clean my room.
Hey guys, Jeff the Maintenance Man. I'm always working on the housekeepers' vacuum cleaners. We got housekeepers department, and you can probably already see the problem. How do you do that? I mean, dang, man. Hell. Alright, so let's take this out. Handle comes out easy enough. You pull back on this, pull up on this, pull back on this, pull back on that. And then what we're going to do is just cut out the short. Put it back. God almighty, I really don't know how they do this. I'm going to do it the ghetto way, because that's the way Jeff the Maintenance Man does it. Because we got to make it like Maintenance Man worthy, right? There you go. Use pipe cutters. Ain't going to hurt them any. Alright. Gonna take out this crap here. Some screws. I've already done this three times this week. Or not this week, but last week. So, well, this would be the third time. So 2 times last week already. Going into next week, replacing cords. They yank on them. They just, I don't know. They're in a hurry to get things done just like we are, I guess. So, you know, that's what it is. Just one of those weird work orders. Kind of, well, it's not weird. It's just, you know, $700 vacuum cleaner. These things cost $700. We should be using Dyson. We should be using Dyson. Yep. Really should. So, take those out. And she's already had hers replaced too. Because there's no brass sleeves on her. Well, no, she hasn't. Because this hasn't been recrimped. I'm going to have to recrimp that. 11:01. Anybody see it? Aha! There we go. Alright. Uh-oh. Doesn't fit. What in the hell? There we go. Well, that doesn't fit either. Well, we can make it fit, can't we? There we go. Those. Screw. There we go. So, yeah, somehow that burned through the wire. I don't know. Alright, so we got fresh wire here. 1 second. Gotta get my strippers. I'm in love with my strippers. Somewhere. Come on, strippers. You strippers, you. There we go. Actually, dun, dun, dun. There we go. Get me a razor blade. About right here. Oh, you could cut yourself. You should be wearing gloves. Because you're such a big pussy. Oh, yeah, well, whatever. Shut up. You don't know what you're talking about. You don't know what you're talking about. Because you don't work for a living. That's why. You don't actually do work for a living. You're afraid of getting cut. Me, I'm not afraid of getting cut. If I cut myself, it's because of my own stupidity. And I'll upload it and show y'all. Alright, so I need to get a crimp connector here. Ta-da! One of those blue ones worked last time, so yep, one of those will do just fine. Stay up there, you fuck. Alright, so put this on. We'll crimp her down. When you hear your knuckles pop when you do that, you know you did it good. Twist this wire around. And technically, you really should tin the tips of these with some solder. But ain't nobody got time for that.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
So, alright. So, let's see what we need to do here. How's this going to go back together? Something like this. Alright, so we're gonna... Oh God. Who's left that radio on? I don't want to hear all that. Turn your shit off. I don't want to hear that. Alright, so you go in the hole here. Come on. Come on. There we go. Give her a nice little screw down. Till she's tight. There we go. Give her a nice little screw down on this side. Oh, come on. Don't be unbraiding my stuff. And keep that as braided as you can when you stick them in there, because some amps are going through that sucker. The extension cord actually gets hot on these, so that might be the problem right there. So they didn't use the proper gauge of wiring. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna put a washer and my nut on there. Yep. Good and tight. Alright. Now we gotta cram all this shit in here somehow. Usually it's pretty easy. I'll just line the back up first and then come down with the front. Pull forward, pull back, and she's in there. And okay, that's not my screw, this is my screw. Looks alright. There we go. Alright, stick her back in the hole. That's what she said. Lock her down. Lock it up. Alright, as you can see, we already replaced the end to this stuff. Let's plug her in. There we go. Does she work? Hey! Somewhat of a simple fix that time. Usually I have to solder together the damn board inside of it, like you saw in one of my other videos. But this one's fixed. Housekeeping can have a great freaking day. That's the Cincher S12 vacuum cleaner. They're about $600-700 a pop. And I really are not all that. Always having problems with the cords. And there's 3 different electrical connections here. Well, one up here, one here, and one down there, because it comes apart in 3 different pieces. And as you saw, you might have saw it in my other video, but I don't mind them. They're pretty cool, but they're a pain in the butt at the same time. Jeff the Maintenance Man gonna return this back to the housekeeping department as a working vacuum cleaner. And yeah, that's one of the little twerky work orders that I do. Y'all have a great day. Jeff the Maintenance Man, stay safe.
I'm a cleaner, vacuum cleaner, zoom, zoom, zoom. I'm a cleaner, vacuum cleaner, clean my